ịma na a na-ekwu na ụka bulu egbe mmadụ na atọlụ batrị mmadụ bulu egbe. Echere m also metaphorically, but even the real gun, if I na gun or for if formal low mad ibem loom, you can't tell person making no fee get gun. Like, do you feel like in the ideal Igbo nation now, yeah, say you know go fit have your own firearm. Imagine I see my bro where they live for bush over there. Arobinago, no way. CSO or way. Now in the catch thieves, in the easy and catch thief for that bush. Mako ezemo obalatule like Dibia straight up Obijel. If you can't get gun, I no go trust him. I trust him to get gun. I need making get gun because that gun in the already catch people for that place. Me now will be arrow kuku. You know, trust me, I get gun. I didn't if we saying one get own nation, you no supposed get gun. But because of say we dey for Nigeria, where religion don't collect our battery, collect our gun, collect our mandate, we just dey one tolo as the majority of us say that we are 80-29 we need 80% or gun more una go see a new nation. Ka agwo ka ebiko ofosolo ofole ka ofosolo godo ofole last ni na nweche egbe mama no ni na nweche egbe so mo ana enwele egbe onye ahụ dị ka agba.